sunset.
Yes, that is so cool. I'm with my
What
friend.
someone ng people.
Yes. We're gonna say Filipino words this time. She doesn't like it though. Because she doesn't know it, but she knows some. Ayan, manang beshies. Alam niya lang ng kunti ng Tagalog, di ba? Yeah, she understands that.
Actually,
Pero, mamaya pupunta kami sa McDonald's. Kasama si Girly. Sabi nyo, ang pangit ng buhok ko pag ganyan or ganyan. Pero kanina may tayo sa Manila. Lululemon kami dalawa. Uy, huwag madami! Ayan guys, pag nakita yung... Yeah, meron kami Lululemon. Nakakatawa. Ooh! Ay, ang ganda yung CN Tower guys. Oh, tinan nyo. Sandali lang siya guys. Oh. Ay, foggy pala. Sorry. Ayan guys, hindi nyo makita na maigi. Pero alam nyo, andoon siya. Nasa Toronto. I-comment nyo yung videos namin, dalawa. Kasi, madami kami videos noon.
kung wala mo
Mamaya. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda siya, guys. Makita mo siya dyan. Don't talk about the thing there. The scene.
the background.
Yeah, I don't mind that. And the sound.
Squish stuff. I'll have to fall. Put it there.
Sa first day ko, guys, yung ipitan ko yung ganyan. So, ano ako ganyan, tapos isa ganyan. Sa first day of school, tapos ganyan ako.
And then you're gonna...
Pangit ka ba? Aba,